Hello folks, welcome back to the channel once again. This is Smart Tech Jed, where tech meet hustle. Today I've come your way with another exciting video, an amazing opportunity that you can use to make extra income while you're on your vacation, while you're on school, or any place at all you find yourself. You can use this I'm going to share with you right here in this video to make extra income while you're home. You can make from $5 to $10 a day. It's easy and simple to use. Before we get into the video, if you are new on the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like our video, leave your comment in the comment section. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. With this said, let's get straight to the video. Now what you're going to do is to go to your browser and head straight to your browser and search for ArtKeep. You can see it on the screen here. Search for it and then log in into their platform. If you don't have an account already, you sign up for an account and then log in and start using the application. And the most amazing thing is that this app gives you what, a welcome bonus up to $5 when you sign up for an account for the first time. You get a welcome bonus of what, $5. You can see here, you can ask anything at all. It also has what, AI that's linked to the app to help you what, write your content and do a whole lot of stuff, easy and simple. You can see here we have explore arts. Start of what, exploring and writing engaging content on what, Askip, the inspiring what, blogging platform that empowers you to what, transform your time into what, rewarding money while what, promoting your business through the what, sharing of what, uplifting and positive what experiences. You can see you have what, unlock your what, first reward. That is it. We have what, we are excited to offer our new what, members a fantastic $5 bonus for signing up as a welcome what, bonus. So you can see here, immediately you sign up for an account, you get what, rewarded $5. So that is it. So if you are already what, registered with them, you can just start. If you are not registered, you can what, register and start earning. So let's click on the start button here and then sign up for an account. You can see you can use your Google account or your Facebook account to log in straightforward, or you can also what, create a new account with your email address. You can see we have what, unlock reward. That's when you click here, you watch adverts or ads and get rewarded immediately after what, the ad is finished. So this is simple, the easiest. So you can enter your email here to get registered and then accept all this and register for a new account to start using this application. So you can see we have what, your welcome bonus here. You can see we have what, check your income. Okay, all right, now you try to start exploring advertise and get a cash reward for each one. So that is it. You can explore art here, you can write stories, you can test service, you can share links to your friends. That's affiliate marketing. You can see your what, profile, your points and ranks and stats of what, ins. You can have what, payout history and all that. So these are some of the features that are on the app. So that is it. We have a how to use video. If you don't understand literally how to use this application, there's a demo video you can also play to watch and get more understanding about it. So you can see here, this is where you can be able to do what, check your balance and all that. And also when you click here, this is for your profile. You are going to set or update your profile. You can also get that as well. So let's start something. Let's explore some art and get rewarded afterwards. So you can see here what, explore advertise, open, read and comment advertise. So that is it. You can see view ad to continue. So you get rewarded after you view this ad. It's literally 5 seconds afterwards. So that is it. You can see thanks for your support. We have what, cute, comfy and what, actual fit, my new favorite summer sandals. So you can open this advert here and what we're going to do is to what, comment about this. You can see you earn 2 points. Check your income, you can get to see that as well. So we are going to like this, give it a like. So this is the site here, WordPress. Let's go back. We have what, more advertaries here. You can choose any advert you want to work on or comment on. So you can leave your comment here. So let's write very nice, sorry, very nice sandals. Then you post your comment. You post the comment. So you literally get rewarded after your comment for some few seconds. You'll get to see your reward or your account balance increase. Also, let's look at or choose some of these adverts and then we can comment on them. We have sneakers here, so you select the one you want and then you can also what search. So there's one here. You can see that you have earned a bonus for what commenting on this. So that is it. Nice. You post your comment and you're good to go. So you can see your account balance here. We have 500 points and then 504 points top up. That's 3 points. So let's see income statistics. So these are the points or the amount we've earned for every what advert we watch or what comment on. So you can see these are some the few ones we've just tried. You can see at the bottom here we have $5 sign up bonus and then what sign up bonus of 500 points. And then when you watch an advert which is what unlimited, you also get 2 points. We have 2 points here as well. So these are the two comments we did and that's why we got these 2 points. So these are some of the few ways you can make money from this site. Now let's go back and see how we can be able to withdraw our money from this platform. But you can see your current rank, new member. You can see all that here. Unlock using what 1,000 points. That's skillful member. If you want to be a skillful member, so we are going to see the withdrawal what options here. Now here you can also withdraw your money through paper. So that is it. So if you know you have a PayPal account, you can be able to use this application to get your money into your balance or your account. We are going to get rewarded after watching this ad as well. You can see we have an extra what points that has been added into our balance. So that is it. So this is the amount here. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can enter here. Let's say 6. No, we don't have 6 points here. Let's say you can see we have 6,000 points will give you a $6. So that is how it is. But currently we are not up to what 6,000 points. So we cannot withdraw this amount. So that is it. So let's make it 5,000, which is $5. Now withdraw T point. So you click on the withdrawal here. All payments are sent via PayPal to the email specified in member profile. Find out how to add email to your PayPal. So we are going to link the email used to register on this platform to your PayPal account, and then you can get paid through that. So this is simple how you can get paid, or this is how you can withdraw your funds after using this application to make some income. If you don't have PayPal account, this is literally not for you. You need to have a PayPal account first before you can be able to use this app to make money, because after making the money you cannot withdraw the money. There's no use of what using this application. So I think literally you have to, every application you're going to use, every money or platform or site that you can use to make extra income, first of all check the withdrawal option, how you can be able to what withdraw your funds before you can be able to do or use the application, so that you don't waste your time using the application. Then at the end of the day, you are trying to withdraw your money or your funds, and you're finding it difficult to what withdraw the money. So this is literally my cool advice for you. If you're going to use any platform, first of all check out the withdrawal option before you can be able to use the application. So this is simple how you can also use this app to make extra income without stressing yourself. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like our video, comment in the comment section what you think about the video. Also make sure to turn on notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. Thank you for coming across this channel. I'm hoping to see you in our next video. Love you.